Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set alarm ringtone on iqoo mobile and how to use it. Friends, you want to set alarm ringtone, you want to use alarm ringtone on your iqoo mobile, so how to set and use in this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iPhone mobile network. Bluetooth device setting, display brightness setting. Friends, you can on display brightness setting and you can use relative brightness, size protection, dark theme. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable. You can change screen timeout from here. So friends, click on sound vibration setting. After on sound vibration friends, you can only vibrate for notification, no disturb setting. Phone ringtone, notification ringtone friends, you can set and you can change. Friends, click on alarm ringtone and friends select your alarm ringtone. So friends, I will select this ringtone. Sorry friends, I will select this morning ringtone. And friends, after set your alarm ringtone friends, you can increase and decrease your alarm volume from here on your iqoo mobile, and you can use your alarm ringtone. So like that friends, we can set alarm ringtone. And friends, we want to change, so again click on sound vibration setting and again select your ringtone. Friends, I will select this ringtone, and as you can see ringtone will change on iqoo mobile. And when you want to use ringtone, so guys set your alarm, open your clock and first click on alarm plus icon and first click here, and first I will set here guys 11:52 and turn it. So after 1 minute friends, we can use this alarm ringtone sound on our iqoo mobile. And friends, you want to use guys your other sound vibration setting, as you can on and use guys your dial pad, screen lock sound setting, screenshot sound setting, as touch vibration setting friends, you can on and you can use on your iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to vibrate, you want to mute your iqoo phone, so you can on your prevent ringing setting, then friends you can use your vibrate setting, phone mute setting, press power and volume up together to vibrate and mute iqoo phone. As you want to set ringtone, you want to change ringtone on like mobile, so you can set and change ringtone. As you can see, after 20 and 15 seconds, we can use alarm ringtone on our iqoo mobile. As you can see, alarm ringtone. So I will dismiss. So like that friends, we can set alarm ringtone and we can use alarm ringtone on iqoo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.